Purpose of this video is to show the download and upload gradebook feature inside of Blackboard Ultra. Purpose of this feature is to serve as an offline gradebook. Sometimes when grading assignments other than inline grading or situations where you may not have reliable access to the internet, it can be useful to download the gradebook via a spreadsheet, make the required changes, and then upload that again. So I'm going to show this functionality briefly. So first thing we'll do is download our grade center, and that will be comprised of 3 gradebook items and all of the 101 students in this particular course. So I'm going to download the gradebook, and I'm going to do a full gradebook download. I'm not going to look at history. I'm going to select all items, which in our case is just 3, and I'm going to go for a comma separated values file. I believe there are some problems with this tab separated file currently. I'm going to save this to my local device, in this case my computer. I'm going to hit download. It's going to give that to me in comma separated values format. I'm going to go ahead and open. It should open that in Excel. Remember, I'm not actually dealing with an Excel spreadsheet even though I am in Excel. Comma separated values behaves just a little differently, doesn't have all the features and functions. Notice that all of my columns with fairly long headings are truncated right now, so I'm just going to double click between each item, and I'm going to just give full credit for this one particular quiz to the first 19 or so students. I'm going to go back and go to File Save. That's done. I'm going to close out Excel, and then now I'm just going to go ahead and upload that again. So I'm going to upload gradebook. I'm going to find that file. Notice it found that particular file as being valid. If there's any problem with that file, you will not get the upload button to be active. And so that may be a clue to go and have a look and see what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and click upload. And notice that the first 19 or so all got a 50. Now for items that you're going to grade in line, if somebody submits a paper for grading, and you're going to want to look at that inside, then you'll probably be better served just by using the functionality that exists. Go to Grade Now. Notice this particular student has a submission to view. Go ahead and click Grade Now. Click View. Introduce any markup that you'd like to via the online grading tools. Assign a grade and then leave feedback, or if you have a rubric, you'll see rubric information in this panel on the right, and fill out the rubric and give your feedback to the student that way. That's very appropriate, and we recommend that. But there may be some cases where you don't have a lot of direct submissions, you don't have perhaps access to the internet, and you'd like to gather all of these submissions. You can click this assignment, for example, and you can download the submissions into a packet and grade everything offline. That's perfectly acceptable too. It's just another way to approach this task. So again, using the upload and download feature of the Blackboard Ultra Gradebook for assigning grades using a spreadsheet tool such as Microsoft Excel.